Is it the right time to buy or sell super microcomputer stock? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into super microcomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 14, 2023, our system has ranked super microcomputer as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.83. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced some natural fluctuations, but it currently sits at a loss of -2.45% since we initially recommended it as a hold/accumulate. In other words, on average, the stock has been losing -0.35% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, there are indications of a further rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.33% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period could range between -15.60% and 12%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 166.66% change expected over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 135.88% and 305.73%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $676.16 to $1,163.07 after a year. In this update, we'll be discussing the latest developments regarding super microcomputer. The headline reads, Weaker technical forecast for super microcomputer as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 22, 2023, the stock price for super microcomputer experienced a decline of 1.1%, dropping from $289.85 to $286.66. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $276.52 and a high of $301.56, representing a 9.06% difference. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been an overall gain of 10.14%. Although there was a 1 million increase in volume, it occurred alongside falling prices, potentially indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, approximately 4 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a total value of $1.13 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for super microcomputer was $357, while the lowest price was $69.02. Currently, the stock is trading at a price of $70.34 below the 52-week high, which represents a 19.7% difference. It's important to note that $357 is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, August 23, 2023, Wedbush upgraded its grade for SMCI to neutral. On Thursday, August 10, 2023, Susquehanna maintained a neutral grade for SMCI with a hold action. On Wednesday, June 7, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities initiated coverage on SMCI with a buy grade. On Friday, August 12, 2022, Susquehanna maintained a positive grade for SMCI with a hold action. On Tuesday, April 26, 2022, Zacks Investment Research upgraded its grade for SMCI to buy. Analysts have given super microcomputer stock a general buy rating. They consider the PE ratio as a strong indicator to buy, and the price-to-book ratio also suggests a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious view and rate the stock as neutral. In this video, we will analyze the signals for super microcomputer. The stock of Super Microcomputer currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This means that while the short-term outlook may be negative, the overall trend suggests a buying opportunity. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $290.72. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $272.12. A break above the short-term average would indicate a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average would signal a sell. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. However, we should consider some negative signals that have been issued recently, as they may impact the short-term development of the stock. Notably, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decline of -5.89% so far. It is likely that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is established. It's also worth noting that the volume increased during the recent price decline, which could be an early warning sign that should be closely monitored. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. The pivot signal indicated a sell 3 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicated a buy 45 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 6 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 16 days ago. If you'd like to find more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop-loss for Super Microcomputer. Super Microcomputer currently has support from accumulated volume at $275.08. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it is expected to trigger an upward reaction when tested. However, it's important to note that this stock exhibits significant volatility throughout the day, making it a high-risk investment. The Bollinger Band also indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. Let's take a look at the recent price movement. In the past day, Super Microcomputer experienced a $25.04 difference between its high and low, a significant 9.06% fluctuation. Over the course of the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.46%. Before we delve into potential favorable trading levels for Super Microcomputer, let's quickly go over some key fundamental data. Firstly, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures the current share price of a company in relation to its per-share earnings. Super Microcomputer has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or consistent revenue streams. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share stand at $3.78. It's essential to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's now discuss potential day trading levels for Super Microcomputer. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Super Microcomputer is at $293.87. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be considered for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Super Microcomputer encounters its first support level at $275.08. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Super Microcomputer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 20, 2023, Liang Charles sold 6,300 shares of common stock. Also on November 20, 2023, Lu Liang Chiu Chu Sarah sold 6,300 shares of common stock. And on November 9, 2023, Kao George bought 2,972 shares of common stock. Additionally, on November 10, 2023, KAO George bought 732 shares of common stock. Furthermore, on November 10, 2023, KAO George sold 363 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 68.741. Overall, insiders have purchased 474,702 shares and sold 83,800 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting a stop loss at $273.30, which represents a decrease of 4.66%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn brings about higher risks. Furthermore, there is a sell signal that was detected from a pivot top just 2 days ago. Is Super Microcomputer stock a good buy? Super Microcomputer shows several positive signals, but we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. Currently, it is recommended to hold or accumulate this stock while waiting for further developments. We have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, November 24th, we anticipate Super Microcomputer to open up by $1.59 and begin trading at $288.25. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please do not solely rely on StockInvest.us for investment advice. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you find success in your trading endeavors and have a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.